Hey guys, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel and another day in the life video. I'm really excited for today's video because there's a lot of stuff going on around here in our home. We're working on some projects and I'm going to show you a plan that I have for a space in my house that I have not been happy with for years. I have an orthodontist appointment this morning, the first time I've been able to go to the orthodontist in months, so I've got to go there. I'm going to grab lunch for me and the girls and probably at Panera and then eat it here at home. And also I'm really excited because today's day in the life video is actually a collab with my friend here on YouTube. Her name is Ashley Lancaster. She used to make videos on her YouTube channel and that's how we found each other. We're both like crazy old movie buffs and Disney fanatics and we both homeschool. So we found each other years ago here on YouTube and then she took a little break from her YouTube channel for a while, but she is back to making videos and I'm super excited that she is because I love her. Even when she wasn't making YouTube videos, I was still following her on Instagram because I think she's just there's such a calm and peaceful demeanor about her. She's got amazing taste in home decor and I just really, really value her as a person and I think you guys will love her. She's going to be doing a day in the life over on her channel with her kids. And obviously I'm doing one here on mine. So if you're coming to me from Ashley's channel, hey, welcome. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you'll subscribe and become part of my YouTube channel family. And if you don't know who Ashley is, I will link her Instagram and her YouTube channel. But I love that her channel is a mixture of lots of different things like mine. She doesn't just talk about one type of thing. It's not just home decor. It's not just Disney. It's not just homeschooling. It's a little bit of everything. So make sure you head over and watch Ashley's video after you watch this one to see her day in the life and then check out her other videos. I know you guys will love her. So that's the plan for today. I'm also going to be sharing with you a really simple crock pot recipe. I've shared it before a while back. It is literally the easiest recipe in the entire world. But it's really good, it's really healthy, and our family loves it, and it makes good leftovers. So I'm going to be sharing that with you guys. So lots of stuff in this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you like day in the life videos, make sure you give this one a thumbs up so I'll know to do more. And let's get into the day.
So tonight I'm making a family favorite, which is just barbecue chicken. It is the easiest thing to make. All you do is get some boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Also poke a few holes in each chicken breast just so the marinade will actually seep into the chicken a little bit better. Then I pour in some chicken stock. You can definitely just use water if you want. I just find that it makes them a little bit more flavorful if you have any chicken stock to put in. But you can definitely use just water or a combination of chicken stock and water. I've done all three and it turns out good every time. And the last step is to put in your favorite barbecue sauce. I'm using the Simple Truth Organic Original Barbecue Sauce, but you can use whatever type you like. Usually I end up putting in about a bottle total of the barbecue sauce. I don't know if that's too much, but I figure it's not going to hurt to put that much in there. And I want to make sure I have enough to make it really flavorful. After that, I just set it on low for about 6 hours, and once it's done cooking, I just take it out and shred it with forks.
Okay, so I just got to the orthodontist. It's my first appointment going anywhere since all of this happened. I feel like every vlog lately has been like the first time we've done this or the first time we've done that, but it is the first time. I was supposed to go to the orthodontist in March. I've been seeing the orthodontist for years. I've had braces twice. The second time I got them off a little after my youngest daughter was born and she's 10. So it's been a while, but my teeth had started getting weird again, even though I have a permanent retainer. And so I've been seeing my same orthodontist for years now, trying to adjust what had shifted with just a retainer. So that's why if you've ever noticed, hopefully you haven't noticed, but I've got like little dots on my teeth. They're the same dots they put on people that have Invisalign. My retainer is wire, but it's the same concept. They put dots on your teeth, and then when you put your retainer on, or if you have Invisalign, you put that on, it pushes harder in those certain areas. And so they've been doing that with those dots for probably 3 years now. And I'll be honest, I'm a little tired of dealing with it. I'm about to say just like however they are, just leave them because I'm tired of coming here. But anyway, I'm supposed to come in March. Obviously that got canceled. And so this is the first time I'm getting to go back since that. So I've got my retainer with me. I'm going to go in and get that adjusted. I'm supposed to text them when I get here and tell them that I'm out in the car. I do have to bring my mask, which I'm not wild about because it actually hurts me to wear my mask. I have chest pains and like chest irritation all day when I wear my mask, even for a short amount of time. I'm not really that excited about that. I feel for the people that have to wear it all the time. I don't know how they do it. And I know some people are more sensitive to it than others. I'm definitely somebody who's sensitive. I wouldn't say it's like severe, but you know, it's uncomfortable for me the rest of the day when I've had to wear a mask, even for like 20 or 30 minutes. So, but anyway, it's necessary. I'm going to have to do it again in a few weeks because I have my mammogram appointment, which is so exciting. But I do have to wear a mask for that too. But anyway, I'm going to tell them I'm here, go get my teeth done, looked at, whatever, and then I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I just got done at the orthodontist, and yes, I am talking with a lisp because I had my retainer in, and I can't take it out right now because I don't want to put my hands in my mouth until I get home and wash my hands. That was definitely interesting, so everything went okay. They just adjusted the little dots and made them thicker so they will push harder on the retainer. As you can tell, I talk like Sylvester from Looney Tunes. But anyway, I'm going to go get lunch for me and the girls, and we're going to eat it at home outside probably. It's a beautiful day here. We've had such beautiful weather lately, which is such a blessing because it was so hard when it was raining just day after day after day. So this has been really nice. I'm going to go get Panera, take it home and eat lunch, and do some stuff around the house.
Oh, no.
I know.
Look at this chip.
Loki, you want a nasty chip? You do have one. I don't know where it is. Oh, he caught it.
See, it's on the table.
You'll finish your basket?
And I did my room. I did the basket, and I did my room, and I finished that pin. And I did extra.
You gotta finish
I did your drawer already.
I will inspect it.
I just blared BTS from the Google.
You hand washed all those things? Even that girl's toothpaste one?
Mm-hmm.
It looks pretty nice. It looks pretty nice. I looked in it.
Did you clean the crack of the track?
Yes.
The crack? The track crack? What is that? First I had a green one.
Crumble potato.
And now I have a nasty looking blech.
Doodle and seed on your pill.
What?
That's what I was looking
It's
at.
probably because my dandelion that you gave me, I think it was you. I had to move it to make room for the milkshake, and all the little poofy boys went all over the car. Shopping, and I wanted to get some flowers for back here. We've spent a lot of time here in the backyard, like fixing it and making it look nicer over the last few months. My husband actually pressure washed the fence. He had to replace a few planks, so that's why they're a different color. He pressure washed the playground, and we got all the furniture out here. He had to trim that tree. Our neighbor's tree was like taking over. So that's what those sticks are that are left over. But the fence looks a lot better, and we got the table out. We pressure washed that. I have my umbrella. I ordered a net that goes over the umbrella to help keep bugs out, and a little light that goes on the poles, so like if we're out here at night we can see. But I wanted to get some flowers. I already had this pot. I got this at the Dollar Tree last week, and we got these flowers at Lowe's. So I'm going to plant those right now. And then we have some chipmunks that live back here. We've been putting some seed out for them, but they've kind of made a mess. I'm gonna sweep that up and then plant these flowers. Okay, so this is the project that I was telling you guys I want to change. I have had this ledge shelf, floating shelf up there for years. It's from IKEA, and I've done several themed decorating videos for fall and Christmas with this shelf, and it looks pretty those times of the year, but the rest of the year I never know what to put on there. I am really annoyed with the fact that I can't find anything that I like on here that will stay consistently when it's not a holiday. And I bought this not long ago, and I do still like it. But I don't know. It just sits there like this. There's not even any flowers in the vase. I got some, but I don't like them. I just feel like a lot of what's on here is too close to the window because we do have this big window here. I like this trellis arch thing. I like the wreath, but I just don't like the shelf, I have decided, which is annoying because we just put this little like cord hider thing like a couple months ago and then left it in the plug down there. But I think I've just decided that I want to scrap the whole thing and get a table for this area instead. I feel like if a table was lower down, it would be easier to put tall things and not be in the way of the window. So it could be a mistake, which is why I'm not taking the shelf down until my other one comes that I ordered. I got it from Amazon. It was a really good price. I just hope it looks okay. But that's what I'm planning on doing. I want to show you guys kind of my process on that. It's a really awkward space because it is the landing of the stairs, so you can't put too much here. So what do you guys think? Should I put a different table type thing here, or leave this and just try to find something to decorate it with? I don't know. I'm kind of at a loss to know what to do with this space, but that's kind of where my head's at right now of what I think I'm going to do. And then I also want to go ahead and put some pictures up here on this wall. I've never had anything hanging there because I felt like anything I put going up the stairs is going to conflict with this wall. Which is the wall behind the couch. This is a really big wall that goes all the way from this corner, all the way up the stairs to that landing shelf. And I just feel like whatever I put there is going to compete with this, and whatever I put here is going to compete with that. But I'm kind of thinking I want to try to do some pictures. I do want to get rid of this, even though I like it. I'm kind of sick of it, honestly. It's from Pottery Barn. I paid a fortune for it, but I just really am thinking I may want to take that down as well and get like a bigger and longer piece that goes behind the couch. So that's kind of my thought process with that as well. But I'm trying to sell that on Facebook Marketplace, and it hasn't sold yet for whatever reason. I don't know why. Maybe it's ugly and I just don't know it, but I think it's pretty. I just feel like it's not big enough for that space. So maybe pictures going up the stairs and then a bigger like statement piece here. So what do you guys think about that? That's kind of where my brain is going with that as well. Yeah, these are some of the shrinky dinks that my girls made that we're going to make into pins. These are some of the ones that we've already shrank, whatever. And then we're going to put these in there just for a few minutes. It's going to take more than one pan to do them all.
Mm-hmm.
That big one's getting really curly.
I know.
Oh, here comes Loki to investigate. Yes, Loki, we're staring at the oven. He's like, why? Are we going to get to eat these? No, we're not. Oh, they're so cute.
Look how tiny her ghost is. I can't see.
Ooh, they stink.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta wait.
Ugly bunga.
Yeah, ugly. Now we got to switch these and put those other ones on there. So finish their pins. We did the Mod Podge and sealed everything in. All we need to do now is put the little pin backs, like hot glue the pin backs on there. But then they turned out really cute. We've got some little characters from the Lion Guard. There's one that my youngest daughter did of me and her, another Lion Guard character, a Num Nom, some little abstract things, and a rainbow. My oldest daughter did this little banana and this little orange, little ghost. She also did a pin of her bird Tango. We have another one from Lion Guard. Just a bunch of cute little pins. Here's some BTS members, which is like a Korean boy band type thing. I think they turned out really super cute. It was a fun activity. We can put the backs on them, and the girls can keep them with their other pin collections. Okay, so I'm back outside, and I'm a little perplexed because I bought this umbrella mesh that wraps around your umbrella and your patio furniture, and it's got like a thing at the bottom. It's supposed to keep bugs out, which I guess in theory it does. The problem is I will not be able to tilt the umbrella with it on, and tilting the umbrella is very important for back here because we get full sun pretty much all day long, and I can't tilt it. So I don't know. I'm thinking maybe it can be tilted if I take the water, because this is full of water, to keep it held down. I'm kind of wondering if I let the water out so that it's not heavy, and I tilt it with the water out, like it'll be light enough to tilt, but is that going to give us really that much bug protection? I don't know. But I think before I return it, that's my next step, is to try that at least and see if that helps, because it's got to help a little bit. Even if this is like up higher, like if I tilt the umbrella this way, obviously the mesh is going to tilt that way as well. So you're going to have a couple inches off the ground. But I feel like even that has got to be better than being completely exposed to bugs. So I don't know. In theory, it's a really good idea. It got pretty good reviews on Amazon, and I think it's got potential. I just have to figure out, I have to get the bugs worked out of it. Pun intended. And the other thing we did was, a long time ago, like a long time ago, the girls had painted these birdhouses, and we sealed them and everything so that they would be weatherproof, but we never hung them. They just sat in the garage forever. And I told my husband, I was like, well, go ahead and hang them up. We get lots of birds back here, and we have a bird feeder on my window that I love because we have so many birds that come there every day. I was like, go ahead and hang them up. I don't really think any birds will actually come. But even if they don't, they look super cute just kind of hanging from the tree back here. They add some bright color to the backyard. So I thought they were really cute, and I wanted to show you.
Okay guys, dinner is done. As you can see, I just shredded the chicken, and my girls like to eat it on a bun. I like to eat mine plain. Either way, it's really good, and I just served it with a side of green beans and corn. Super easy, really healthy, and everybody loves it. So you guys let me know if you end up trying it out, how much your family enjoyed it, and make sure that if you are not already that you subscribe to my channel and check out Ashley's channel. I'll have it linked for you in the description box. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you soon.